In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin cards in Trello using power-ups. Trello is a fantastic tool for managing projects, and with the added functionality of power-ups, it can do even more to help streamline your workflow. The ability to pin cards allows you to keep the most important tasks right in front of you, ensuring they're not lost in the shuffle. Let's dive in and see how you can set this up. First, you're going to want to focus your attention on the top right corner of your Trello board. There, you'll see an icon that looks like a rocket ship. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu dedicated specifically to power-ups. This menu is essentially your gateway to a whole host of plugins that are developed by third-party developers, designed to enhance Trello's existing capabilities. Once you're viewing the Power-Ups menu, it's time to add a new power-up. Click on the Add Power-Ups button. Now, we're going to search for a specific one, namely Pin Card, which is developed by Blue Anvil Software. To find it, type Pin Card into the search bar, and when it appears, press the Add button. This step is crucial, as it will allow us to pin cards to our boards effectively. After adding Pin Card, you're going to want to revisit that rocket ship icon. Click it again to reopen the Power-Ups menu. Now you'll see the Pin Card option there. It's important to authorize this power-up, so go ahead and click on it. Authorizing it means you're giving the plugin permission to interact with your Trello board, allowing it to perform tasks on your behalf. Once authorized, the pin card is ready for action. Now, navigate to the specific card you want to pin. Perhaps it's an urgent task or a key project milestone. Click to open the card. At the bottom, you'll see the familiar rocket ship icon. Clicking this reveals a list of your power-up actions. Look for and select the pin card option from this list. Then, you'll be presented with the option to pin this card. Click that, and just like that, your card is pinned. And there you have it. You've successfully added and used a power-up to enhance your Trello board's functionality by pinning cards. This simple action will help keep your critical tasks front and center on your board, ensuring that nothing important is overlooked. Pinning cards is a great way to maintain focus and prioritize in a busy workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your Trello experience even more efficient.